Hey everyone, I am Bridget. I am the CEO of My Girls Products. I come on here to share with y'all the new lashes that I have. These are 30 mm's, but first I want to share that what I offer on my website are lashes and the adhesive eyeliner glue for the lashes. I also offer wholesale. I offer starter kits, and you can also buy them just, single. So I wanted to ask y'all, do you like bold lashes or you like natural lashes? Because I have both. But these are my 30 mm's, so these are curly, a little curl to them. And this style comes in, or I have 6 different styles. Then we have these. Okay. And my lashes are listed on my website by the numbers of the lashes. These right here, oh my gosh. These right here, y'all. Look at this. These right here are dramatic for reals. Another set with the little curls to it. Okay. And the last one. Okay, so let me know what y'all like. If you like dramatic lashes, natural lashes, come and chat with me. And another question, do y'all have a hard time going live? Because that is so out of my comfort zone. So I record the video and then post it. So thanks for watching.